Congrats, you nailed it. It was so smooth. Share stream. That's streaming money. What's up, geek? Oh, by the way, chat, it's the last day of September. I forgot to mention. So if you want to lock in a long-term sub at a discounted price, today's the day. Did it while you were gone? Genius. Big man, by the way. Thank you. Okay. So, I did kind of scuff the site right now. I was trying to get different icons. So you could do this. But once again, I have a lot to learn still for CSS. That's kind of one of the main problems. So let's first see if we can get a few links here.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
Something going weird with that? Does it not seem like that? Is it sounding goofy to you guys? Let me go here and go back to here and see if that fixes it. For styling, you have a vision of how you want the site to look like? No, not really. Suffix, let's go, dude. Thank you. Yeah, I just closed and reopened. Maybe that'll solve. Because I can try putting a PR. Yeah, let me first see if we can get just a list of a few of these here. I don't think I really like this border at the top. I don't know why I have that. Like, I don't know why. Why do I have a border here? I don't think I want this at all. I should reload, right? Weird.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite. Made it properly tail recursive.
Wait, what the heck?
Yes. OCaml is actually
Suffix
my
gave
favorite.
3 and Twitch gave out 3 as well, or gave 5 and then Twitch gave 3. What is going on? That doesn't seem right, but I'll take it. 5 plus 3. Gives baseline plus a random extra. Nice. Let's go, boys. Hey, Sweep. Good to see you again, buddy. That's not what I want to do. Okay, we will try this later.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like,
oh, dang,
OCaml
Dingus,
is
thank you.
actually my favorite. Made it properly tail recursive.
What?
Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
Infinite money glitch? Did you just give out 5 and then I got 15 additional? Hello, Twitch? That cannot make sense. That cannot make sense. What? That's what I'm saying. Do I just keep giving myself 5 subs? I know it's September. I thought it was 5 and Twitch just gave 1. But what the heck? At Twitch? Okay. Thanks, Twitch. Cool. It's a good day. Counting as a real sub, giving sub feature no, it gives real money. They're regular subs. I mean, Twitch gets some percentage back. No, it's real subs. As far as I understand, everything I read about it is that it's real. Obviously, for them, it's not as expensive when they're gifting the sub to themselves, but it's still crazy. It doesn't even make sense. You know? All right. Where do I have the Spotify one? I also wanted to do YouTube at Topshelf FM. Well, Twitch gets no money for giving subs. I guess it's just a better return for a streamer. Right. They still have to pay out for the sub, but it's not as expensive. They don't have to do as many transfers of things. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, it makes sense. Okay, so where did we do the Spotify one?
Oh my goodness! I actually died of ligma.
He actually died of ligma. It happened.
Properly tail recursive, like yes. Ocamo's actually.
Hey, thanks, favorite. Geek. Appreciate it. Twitch is my highest gifter today. Thanks, Twitch. That's still great. Even 20 and then doing 7 is wild. Am I crazy to think the best system is to just gift 5 at a time and then game it so that Twitch is randomly gifting 1 to like 30 subs? I don't. Are people abusing this? This seems so ripe for abuse that it's insane. I mean, I'm not complaining. Don't get me wrong, Twitch. Please don't change. 5 subs is a sweet spot? Yeah. Think they have a smarter app to not give too much? Probably. Probably. I think this is how Prime is getting a mullet. I did see that Twitch was like the number 2 gifter or something on Prime's big mullet stream. I was thinking I would offer mullet, but he's gonna like take forever to grow it and all this stuff. I don't know if I'm ready for like that scenario. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a lot to ask for. Can I do the same thing but for YouTube here? YouTube.jsx? Does this have like FA YouTube? Oh, nice. Spotify. Okay. It's a little bit lame to basically have exactly the same thing, but whatever. So if I go back to my components here and I take this and we go Spotify, maybe I should put this more like module icons. And then we can go to yoink this. Why is this not auto formatting? Conform. ML. Oops, it's in my auto format one. Shouldn't this be formatting? Formatters by file type, MLX formats. If ocaml.mlx. Lua require conform dot format. Formatters for this buffer. I thought this would do LSB fallback equals true. Always. Okay, that's weird. Well, it is a commitment. I know it is. It's a big commitment. I was willing to cut my hair very goofy for a November event, but I don't know that I'm like, are we really, is he really gonna, how crazy is he getting? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I don't know why, do I not have an okay? I do have OCaml format here. Dune format. Let's try this. Okay, so that worked. That's weird. Okay, I need to figure out why that's not Spotify link, YouTube link. Ooh. YouTube. This is not working. Components.spotify. Oh, right. So then we need to go back to our podcast here, and then we go module icons is components.icon. Right? Or icons. Nice. Then we can go to components down here. Icons, Spotify, YouTube. Oops. And then we need to go back to here and go YouTube link is from YouTube, and we go to YouTube JSX instead of Spotify link. This should just be YouTube link, which should have YouTube, and this should be YouTube link. I don't know why that's so confused right now. So when I refresh this, oh, nice. There we go. Cool. Nice. Okay, sweet. So that's good. I do feel like that experience is not... Prime's wife was not pleased when he told her about the mullet. I don't know. I think she fell in love with him when he had a mullet, if I recall, in Prime's timeline. Okay, so now we can go back to our podcast thing here. So here's where, obviously, this is not good. We want this to be in a separate section. Now, why section versus something else? I don't know. These should definitely be like, oh, this is flex row. Is that what it is? Or flex call? Which way is nice? I'm learning a few things. You know, Prime IRL? It depends what you mean. Like, that's not where I first met him, but now we are like real friends. I've stayed at his house multiple times. Like, so flex row is the default. Okay, well, that's good to know. That's good to know. Okay. So I don't need to put this if I don't want to. That's just the default. That'll stay there. This gap is way too big here, I feel like. Don't you think? We learn in CSS? I'm trying. I'm trying to actually learn a little bit of CSS plus Tailwind. Oh, yeah. I was trying to get this to work too, but I think we're going to drop this for right now. We'll just put the sidebar away for now. That should go away. I don't know why that's not hot reloading for this, but that's fine. Okay, right. If you have flex layout all the way, you can just do gap X. Okay. I don't know that I like that, like... I don't like how much this stretches, I feel like. Do you guys agree? What do I have to do for this again? I can go like this, and then I can resize this. CSS plus Tailwind. Many such cases. Like, it should not expand indefinitely. Like, it needs to get stopped here. So, I guess that's a max. So, if I'm thinking about how I would do that, I would put something like class name, max, but it says like max width. What do I put here? Like, this doesn't seem like it would make sense. And is this reloading or what? Okay, that's obviously not good. That's obviously not good. Max large. Okay. I think I maybe need to restart this and then it will hot reload for me now. Okay. Max width large. Okay, well, I don't really like this because it needs to be centered, obviously. You know? Do I put flex here as well? Container. Flex? I don't know. Ooh, MX auto will center it, right? Okay, but I need these to be on different lines. So I guess this should be... or I guess I want to do something like... flex call here. This will put them... Nice. Okay. I want this to be a little bit... I don't want this. You know what I'm saying? That's obviously not good. That's obviously not good. It's like it should be long enough so that we can at least read all of them in one line. So I don't think I like max width large. Do I just say 4XL? I just say that that's like how big I want it to be. Oh, interesting. It just auto-plays that for us. Okay. All right. I can buy that. Grid, please. I don't think we need to do grid, right? I don't know. Oh, this looks better. This looks better now. Ooh, chat. Okay. So I know what we can do here. Wait. Check me out here. Check me out here, okay? Check me out. Where did I put the duration? I want to say small hidden. No, is it not that? I don't know what it is. What's the thing that I need to do? How can I do this? I know I can do this. I can make it hidden conditionally. But that's not the thing. I thought I was onto something there, chat. Maybe it... Oh, it was. That's the opposite of what I want. Oh, I need to say something instead for visible. Hidden. Small block? Really? I want the reverse, though. I want to say, like, large block. Right, so now when I go to small... Got it. Okay. Got it. No, base file is fine mobile. You go overriding as you go big. Okay, that makes sense. I'm following. I feel like I almost want to go... Is it medium? Maybe I want to go XL. What are the sizes? Yeah, I think I like this better. This also shouldn't keep getting wider, I feel like, right? Should all of them be max width? Max width? Like, should this just go at my... Okay, if I put this here... Those are sizes? Okay, nice. Okay, nice. But then I want to say something instead like all of these should be MX auto. Does that make all of them get centered? I don't know why I lost my refresh. Ooh, chat. Some say I'm a front-end engineer. Large XL. Okay, got it. Thank you, Lime. What language is this? Rescript? No, it's OCaml. With MLX, which is like getting JSX inside of OCaml. So this is just regular OCaml code. You could use ReasonML as well, but we're compiling it with Melange, so it turns into JavaScript. PureScript, CoffeeScript. I don't think those are equivalent to each other. You can also go like with 200 pics. Got it. That's why I'm better than Prime. Yeah. CSS skills like this. But both are funny. Okay, I'm feeling like that looks pretty good. Although it is, I do think it is a little bit goofy. Maybe I don't want to do XL here. Where did I say? We'll just do large. Believe it or not, banned. Okay, nice. There we go. That's good. That's some good stuff right there. Prime is live and just reviewing the Rails event. What do you mean just reviewing the Rails event? That sounds good. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now we have some problems here, chat. Some might say this doesn't look good. Some might say that doesn't look good. To which I would reply, you're correct. Some might say the links are overflowing. We're overflowing with links. Duration shouldn't disappear though. I actually think it's good because it's like it's extraneous information. Some might say the contrast is too little. Some might say that. V0.dev didn't tell me how to do that though, for Wira. So we're at an impasse now because I made this with AI and I was told it was taking my job. So now I'm sort of like, what do I do given this information? You know? That's kind of what I'm wondering. Oh, cool. Okay. Congrats. How long do you end up working on that course? I don't know. I don't know how many hours. It was a lot of hours though, workflow. Hover over one of them. It doesn't show. Do I need to go out of this mode? Can I press Control Shift M again? How do I get out of this? Add truncate class for overflowing texts. Description. Is it text truncate or is it just truncate? Ooh, I'm not getting this because we're doing... Interesting. Can I do this? Well, it doesn't like this now, I think. Text truncate? Or is it just truncate? Nice. Chat, I even got... I mean, look at this. I even got Tailwind LSP working inside of here. Oh wait, why is it not? Why is it not? Oh, I see. Right, I had to do. Does this work or is it not like this? Okay, so that is a syntax error, so I have to do this. Okay. Soundtrack name, like this song. Okay, but we probably want to be able to like scroll this, so I don't think that's right, probably. Like we want it to wrap, right? That doesn't really seem like what we're looking to do. Use your contrast for when the just fails. Way CAG contrast for double A, which means most humans will struggle reading it. Okay, well we can change the colors. That's fine with me. Like this green and black together, you're saying? Why didn't you use HTMX X OCaml? Because we're testing out the ability to use JavaScript. The link is hard to read. Oh, yeah, I agree. The link sucks. We do need to change the link text. I don't know what it should be. Yeah, they pass for large text more than 40 pixels. Got it. Sorry, one sec. Okay. Nice. Okay. You can easily get that better by slightly adjusting tints. Darker greens, less making text white on hover. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying. So right now I have something like green 400. I think everywhere, basically, right? Which way is darker? Is it green 400? Let's just say we change to green like 100. Oops. Right? Oh, honestly, I almost like that even more. Like, it's just like slightly green. Higher number is darker, which makes sense. Okay. Ooh, that's better, right? Because this is lighter, so that's going to be a higher contrast. Obviously not for like maybe this one's not better yet, but like these other ones are better. It's better, right? Yeah. Oh, that's not great. The icon disappears. Oh, that's funny. Okay, we'll solve those momentarily. Okay, so this is where this is where I should do something like I go to my Tailwind config, right? Yeah, I know where I can fix it. I'll come back to this later. Why do I have all this random crap in my Tailwind config? I don't remember making these. Trying not to get opinions how you're styling, but only suggestions which things may help. Oh, you're good, Weiro. Var background. Do I put this somewhere in here? Like, what did I do here? I don't even remember how I got these here. Yo! Oh, no. Oh, rated by a real programmer, and I'm looking at Tailwind config.js. I promise it's not what it looks like. We're writing OCaml. I promise. Okay? Just ignore that bottom tab. Okay? We're writing OCaml. There's nothing else to see here. All right? There's nothing else to see. Now you might be wondering, what are we going to do with this OCaml? Okay, well, sure, maybe it turns into JavaScript. But I'm not writing JavaScript. All right? It's very different. As I've said before, JavaScript is the new assembly. You can compile to JavaScript, and that's all you need to do. Okay? I'm just compiling to JavaScript. I'm not writing it myself, so I'm safe, okay? I'm safe. Anyways, what's going on in Lisp land today? We are actually writing OCaml though and turning it into JavaScript. That is the thing. And I'm also trying to learn CSS. Just bugs and frustration. Nice. Nice. In my world, released a course on memory management today. Pretty exciting. One I've been working on for a long time. Also, me and Prime released a performance art piece on corporate culture. If you guys want to watch, it's pretty funny. If I do say so myself. Warning, may give anxiety. I saw the LinkedIn stream live. Nice. TPS reports are due. Don't worry. Don't worry. TPS reports will be included. Wait, did you like your own comment? Of course. No one can see whether you like your own comment or not. If you leave a YouTube comment and it's got 0 likes, that's your own fault. What the heck? That's such beta mindset, guys. Waiting for someone else to like your comment. It's alpha behavior to like your own comments. Same as starting your own repo. Exactly. What, you don't even love your work? I go out there and I take the like. It's honestly kind of embarrassing, guys, that you're not doing it. It's, oh, wow. I wouldn't like my own comments. Then don't make it. If it's not good enough for you to like, you don't deserve anyone else's likes, okay? That's the #1 rule of content. I always have at least 1 star on my repos. Exactly, geek. Exactly. It's kind of like Twitch giving out extra subs during September. By the way, it's September still. Your mom does not star all your GitHub projects? You're even loved? My parents don't know how to log into GitHub, but they did buy me Neovim merch for Christmas. Which is like probably even cooler than doing GitHub projects. I didn't even tell, my dad found it online. I actually don't even know how he found it. My parents are Giga Chads. Yeah. For last Christmas, they bought me a Twitch shirt and a Neovim shirt. How impressive is that? First off, that they even are aware that those things exist. But secondly, that they love me enough to buy me those. Yeah. And they also got me the I keep all my dad jokes in a database shirt that I like to wear. They got me that one as well. Very cool. 10 out of 10. Good job, mom and dad. They got me Neovim Premium. Yep. Different plan and I'm already October. Oh, that sucks, guys. No, not September anymore. You can get 30% off 6-month subs right now. Just saying. Throwing it out there, chat. You might want to consider it because you know you're going to be subbing. For content like this, definitely not looking at Tailwind. Definitely doing OCaml. Definitely not doing this. I do kind of want to rename OCaml to typed script since it actually has types, unlike TypeScript. This is the superior way to compile to JavaScript. Okay. The superior typed JavaScript experience. Also, I stream, by the way. Well, they definitely knew that because I had to explain to my parents I was quitting my real job to do this. So that was a thing. That was a thing. Yeah. Exactly. Thank you, Nightshade. Course when deprecated? Well, I'm sure we'll start a new course and then people can immediately start asking me, how do you explain what you do? I mean, my parents have known like that I make YouTube videos and stream on Twitch for a while. My dad does my taxes, so he knows I was making more than $0. They were a little concerned about bridging the gap between those two. You know, in a general sense of just being concerned about their son, but they trust me. You know, I'm a big boy. I got a wife and kids and a house. They know I wouldn't be stupid or too stupid, at least. But yeah, so no, it was funny. Oekma strip. Exactly, North. Exactly. Then you started a coffee company. Then they understood. Exactly. Once I told my dad, Dad, you don't understand. I'm going to get into the influencer coffee game. He says, oh. I'm sorry. I wasn't familiar with your game. Literally the Shaq meme. Shaq meme. Wasn't familiar with your game. This right here. I owe you an apology. This is my dad. Once I started a coffee company after streaming. I feel like terminal shop is harder to explain. Oh, it's way harder to explain. It's way harder to explain. Dad, so I'm making a coffee company. Oh, cool, son. Nice. You can finally start monetizing your stream. Yeah, so I was thinking, what if we didn't have a website and only programmers could do it? Do you think as like an accountant, that's a good idea? I was thinking, what if I took my total market cap from like a lot to a little? Do you think it's smart, Dad? Source guy, yeah. When you're gonna buy land, start growing coffee beans, he's gonna be happy. Yeah. To be honest, though, he's sort of like, well, at least. So I guess let me phrase it this way. I've lost less money streaming than my previous 2 startups have lost. Right? So in a sense, I've made more money than either VC-backed company because I'm at net positive for stream. Think about it, chat. Think about it. Yep. So there's that. The real... Yep. Mm-hmm. Yes. Skillissue.terminal.shop. Okay, chat. I do have some questions about... I'm sure there's no need to worry about the economy. We're going to be okay. We're going to be okay for sure. No, it's going well. I'm having fun. We're doing good. I have one question for you. Hit me, Pigeon. How is your focus? Oh, my focus?
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused. It's focused, boys. Now I lost what I was going to do. Right. What do people normally do for this? What is going on here? Well, how do I use this? Typo on the port number. I saw that, but I still read it as 42069. So don't worry. I knew exactly what you were going for, geek. Am I supposed to do something like this? Border. Do I say primary? Is this what I'm supposed to do, chat? Need to quit coffee. Instructors never use their own stuff. No. We can continue to use it. Like, what is people's strategy for this so that they can change the color? Do you say border primary? HSL var -- primary. Nice. Right? But then what would I do here? Like, do I say accent? Or do we just not do anything? Maybe it's kind of nice that it's the same color, right? Like hover is border, like accent? I don't know. But I don't have anything set for this, right? It's like, what would I don't know how to make colors, chat. How do you guys decide colors? Like, what am I supposed to do? Chat? I know we have some Tailwinders here. Hello? Where do I learn about colors? I don't. The designer does. Well, chat, that's all of you. Colors. I use black and white. Smart. You use a palette, but if you want like darker something, you can darken color. Sorry, is Tailwind Uno CSS? Yes, they're the same. BG color. Yeah. So, but I'm saying I want to do probably something where I do more. Ooh, emerald. I kind of think emerald's looking pretty slick, chat. Got an email out on the run. The course was live. Broke my 5K record running back to enroll. 104 level arch made by. Got an email out on the run that the course was live. Broke my 5K record running back. Got it. I was like, to enroll. Gotcha. Nice. Yes, it's live. The course is live. Go to Color Lover's website. Check out palettes made by people more skilled at colors than me. That would be me. But I can just pick emerald, right? So then what could I do though? If I want the primary color to be something here like emerald, what would I do? What do I do for default? Right? So I say, okay, I want the primary color to be this. Whoops. Do I just go primary? I'm here, right? And I go change inside this. Should I just put A7F3D0? Right? That's the color. I actually can't even tell if that's right. So we should choose something like this. I can't even tell. Oh, this is like, am I supposed to put this inside of here? What am I supposed to put inside of Tailwind config? Maybe we'll just ask ChatGPT and we'll ask Grug. We'll ask our Grug version. Grug, okay? And we'll say how to configure colors in tailwind.config.js. I want to use primary colors from a palette palette that exists in CSS. The Emerald palette. What's your Grug prompt? It's literally just basically copy paste grug.dev inside of here. See, and now it just responds with exactly this. Ooh, okay. Got it. Am I stupid? Or where do I see the course? In the course list. We go to boot.dev. Oops. No, not whatever this is. Never mind. Okay, nice. Yep. Okay, so I could just say primary here, and I could say var emerald 200. Something like this, right? That would be the primary color. Then when I do this, two colors here. Let's go to where we have like text. Where do we have an example? Text green. So I could say text primary like this, right? I can't tell if any of these are actually good. I need to go somewhere where we're actually doing this. Where am I writing top or latest episodes? So you go text primary. Is that a thing? Okay, nice. Wait, but it doesn't seem like that's working. Because that didn't change latest episodes, right? Am I crazy? That doesn't seem like it's changing this at all. Maybe Emerald 500? I can't. Okay. I thought it'd be deeper in the deeper learning. So you get to pretty early on the road. Yeah, that's the goal is definitely to be pushing you to like at least think about memory in some way as you go forward through it. You know what I mean? Should have a UID and it have a name so you could do that. Is smart. Yeah, that is smart for Wiro. You can tell Lane that he needs to do that. So is text primary what I'm supposed to be doing? Do I need to just like reload this? Will this restart it and then give me the colors? Because it seems to me primary emerald 500 that should look like emerald 500 should look like this. Maybe I can't even tell the difference. Am I just like color blinded? No, it doesn't look like it's changing anything here, right? If I changed this to like pink, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's doing anything, right? Am I crazy, chat? Text primary. Is that not how I access it? Or do I need to put it here, like var pink 900? Sure. I don't know if pink 900 is a thing. Why you're changing it is just to use color emerald something? Well, because what if I want I want to use primary because I might get told later that my contrast isn't that good. And I also want to understand how Tailwind works. So it's a combo of both of those. You know what I'm saying? Primary. Grug done. What about for text primary? How would I configure that? Colors, primary. Primary, extend colors. No config needed. Text primary will use your primary palette. Text primary 500. Interesting. Okay, so if I go to text primary and I go 200, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's good though. Should I put this here? 100, blah, 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 blah. Okay, we put this here. Text primary 500. Text to Excel, font bold, MB6. Right? I'm just not understanding this. Am I not doing this right? R Emerald. You can take Shad Standard. I can find you a config CSS. Yeah. I'm interested in learning a little bit more about sort of how this whole space works. I figured colors would have been an easy one for me to understand, but I may just be bad at this. Feels like this should work. That's kind of what I thought as well. Text primary 500. If I go 500 here and then I change this to be like pink, right? I would have thought that this would change to a pink thing. Text. But okay, let's check this. Pink 500. Okay, so that is working, right? When I go back to primary 500, which I would have thought would pick this one, it doesn't do this. I'm just going to delete these here quick. Okay, let's check this out as well. Colors. Instead of complete custom colors, you can curate from your list from importing Tailwind colors in your configuration files and choosing colors you want. Okay, so that seems fine. Aliasing colors names. Gray, pink, fuchsia. Adding additional colors. Brown, okay. Theme extend colors. Blue, sure. Disabling a default color. I don't want to do that. It's a long message. That's okay. Rather than var something, you can set the colors from Tailwind. Oh, I see. Sure. Primary. Okay, so if I do colors dot pink, right? Colors dot pink or something like this, right? This probably won't work because we didn't import colors, right? Yeah, that makes sense. But we can do this here. And then this might work. Nice. Very cool. So then I can change this to be emerald, like this. Now we're talking. Now can I delete this? And will it still be emerald? It'll just be some other emerald. Text primary. This might just not work. I might have to pick one here. Like I might have to pick 200. 300. I can't tell if it's working. 500. It is, I think, though. Okay, that's cool, though. That's cool. So then we could pick a secondary. You can specify the numbers, right? Okay, so then the next thing would be, let's say we want to do secondary. So we change this to be secondary. But we don't have a color for this yet, right? So it doesn't know what to do. Make primary 400, use emerald 900. Got it. So if we change this, we could do like colors dot... I don't know what would you put as the secondary for this, right? Slate. I don't know. That's probably not high enough. Where can I find the boot dev course? boot.dev/teach. Of course, you probably want to use /teach. You can use promo code teach, 25% off. But then it's just down here. Number 12, learn memory management. Tailwind uses literal coloring with red, green, and a numeric scale, where 50 is light and 90 is dark by default. I think this is best choice for most projects, and I've found it easier than primary or danger. That said, if we're going to project needs for multiple themes, it makes sense to use more abstract names.
Properly tail recursive, like OCaml's.
Yo, Ibra, hey, thank you. Yeah, we could maybe do green or teal or something like this. Yeah. You can, Pigeon, don't tell people they can't act. You can go and read it for free. You just won't get the interactive stuff, which I think is the best part of the course and the reason that it took way longer than 3 weeks to build, but whatever. Configure these colors like we have above, and you can pull in colors. So I don't really get why you wouldn't do this. I get like that they're saying, okay, you would want to write green normally and stuff, but it seems like for primary, for me, it seems like you would want these. I don't know. I don't really get it. I don't know why you wouldn't want to do that. But the Ferrari. But that's part of the reason I picked boot dev, is people can read it if they don't have the money to buy it. Like, that's part of what I like. Are you only using abstract names? You have a really good reason. My really good reason is that I like it. Don't include the color space or opacity modifiers. Oh, interesting. I do like this. This is cool. But I don't think I need to do that, really. I think this is a cool way to do it. So how would... I guess I'm still trying to figure out how people normally, like, do this kind of idea, right? Because, like, okay, so everywhere we have text, or everywhere we have green dash something, we can switch this with primary G, like this. And then I guess I need to refresh this. Is this what 200 looks like? Primary 200. Let's go primary 500. Is this better or worse? I actually can't tell. And why is it reloading weird? Because it says that it's getting the update, but like clearly it's not refreshing the colors right away. Often saying 400 to 600, accents on a lighter, darker. Okay. I got you, Suffix. Got it. These mostly HSL for better color. Yep. Okay, so maybe we try like 400 instead, right? That's brighter. I think that's a nice brightness. The regular range of colors on devices are good to be used together. Okay. Control Shift R. Yeah, I just have to do, I mean, like, I just press F5 and we'll reload. It's just weird that it wasn't doing it automatically. So everywhere that we had 500, maybe 500, we'll change to 400. It's just weird that it's not reloading those automatically. I don't know why. I don't know why. I think that is this. How can I check to see if this is good contrast? Then I actually don't know if these colors are good together. Should I choose a different background? Is there like a better black background? You know what I'm saying? Like the browser will tell you when I inspect it. What will it say? How will it tell me? Lighthouse? I didn't even know. I didn't know this was a thing. Click the select element tool. Yeah, no big deal. I passed. As they say, D's get degrees. MLX, I'm OKML.js like thing. Yeah. Elements. Wait. Select element right here. Select an element in the page and do this. Okay, so I click this, right? In issues? 5 more points. Exactly. Okay, select this. Go right here. 10.9. So that gets a check mark, so it's good. You're saying. I get a check mark, so it's good. Oh, that's pretty cool. Why don't I get anything right here? Like, why do I only get it for this one? Is it because I did div soup? Like, this should be paragraph instead. Like, for example, why do I have an extra div here? Nobody knows, right? Nobody knows. Like, this should be P or span. I still am not getting any hover for it though, which is weird, right? I don't really get it. I don't know. Once again, I don't know enough about this to solve the problem. So go to latest episodes here. That has a header. It says it's a header. One sec, chat. Over 4 is a double A. Over 7 is a check on triple A. Nice. Actually, you can control C and go for CSS overview thing and contract issues. Control Shift P. What is this? Show issues. I don't know. Yeah. Control Shift C. Control Shift C. Oh, nice. Okay. CSS overview. Control Shift P. CSS overview. Panel. Contrast issues. Yeah, of course. This is butt ugly, chat. That's butt ugly right there. We don't want that at all. Go to episode. Terrible. Agreed. Terrible. Terrible. Text primary, 200. We refresh page. Now we do I just do this again? I click this. How do I make this refresh? You know what I mean? Because I don't think I have that text anymore, do I? That's pretty cool though, chat. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with this. Wait, how do people right above overview summary? Clear overview? Oh, I just need to do it again. Got it. So my question is, how do people get such scuffed websites if there's all these tools in the browser? Because it seems like it tells you everything you need to know. I mean, I can see how this wouldn't be good. We still need to fix all of our hover shenanigans, right? But it's like, that's okay. So hover. People just don't care. Border accent. So this doesn't exist. That's the problem, right? Is I can't just do border accent. I need to do something different than this. Like border accent 200. So where are all my hovers? Hover text black. Obviously that's not what we want to do. Unless we are going to change the back. We are going to change the... Oh, right. We were going to do hover text black. I don't think we want border accents. BG primary 400. Were we changing this whole thing before? Yeah, no, I'm kidding, Weiroo. I understand why it can be really hard because this whole thing seems literally impossible. Hover, border accent, hover, text black. Can I do like BG primary 200 or something like this? 900? That's kind of an ugly green though. Would we all agree? That's pretty ugly. Is the strat that people do like, okay, so you have something like, so the background becomes something like 400, right? And then the text becomes whatever the old background was, right? Like this. Like, is this the strat that people do? And they do a review? The hidden button for content to skip? Oh, that is actually what we're doing, yeah. Teach open YouTube or Twitch and press tab once before doing anything. You'll see a fun thing for behind people. You twitch.tv. I pressed tab. Oh, that's cool. Alt P. Skip to. Alt P. It doesn't work. That's pretty cool. Left navigation. Interesting. I don't think I like the hover. Hover, border primary 400. So then I can change this so that when we refresh this here, it'll just be the same color, which I kind of like. I kind of think this part shouldn't change though. I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty cool, Weiroo. What are you trying to achieve? I don't know. I'm learning. We're learning Tailwind, and by that I mean we're learning CSS because they're the same thing. They're exactly the same. CSS++, exactly. Thank you for understanding. Okay, let's fix these buttons. Let's fix these buttons, right? We need to go to text border green, hover text black. Shouldn't we have hover? Then we need to do like hover BG primary 400. And then where we have green here, we need to change this to be primary. Yeah. Much better. Knowing these help you understand Tailwind because it's the same. Yeah. Me missing T-Twin. Oh, true. Good point. I do need to fix T-Twin as well. Oops. And then we also need to change this to be hover BG primary 200. Oh, wait, not 200, 400. Okay. Nice. Nice. All right. Did we solve all of our like main things for this right now? I think we did. Okay, nice. That one works. That one works. This is not the right thing. We definitely don't want to do this. We should remove truncate probably. We're gonna add, we will do iTunes, but I had some problem with Apple and my email and other stuff like this. So I need to we'll add it to like Apple Podcasts or whatever, but I just haven't like I'm waiting to get approved and a bunch of random stuff like this. Button? I don't know, do I say button? Weird. Got a problem with that, chat? Congrats on the launch. Thanks, Kev. No torrent link? That would actually be pretty funny. Should I seed all the episodes? That's actually a pretty great idea. Button. I don't want the RSS. Yeah, we should. I do have the RSS feed directly. I can just Ooh, that would be kind of fun. Let's see if we can do this. I've got an idea. Let me go back to podcasters. What? Top technology podcast charts? That can't be right. You're ranked 29. Check it out. You are ranked on a chart. Top technology podcasts in Germany. Nice. Chat, we made it. Chat, we absolutely made it. Open image in new tab. Does this work? Oh, you can't see it for some reason because it doesn't show the whole image. Download. Whoops. Copy here, one sec. Copy link here. Does this work? Guys, we're the number 29th most popular tech podcast in Germany. Let's go. Let's go, dude. I don't know. This is pretty good. 29 out of 29. It's still a top 30, Cephix, okay? That's pretty hilarious. Considering everything's scuffed still about the podcast setup, but was ranking in Denmark. I have no idea. It just showed me this as the it just was like, hey, bet you didn't know this. Check it out. Thanks, Spotify. That's hilarious though. Great website. Nice. Spotify. I can't get to my hello. I just want to go back to, here we go, availability. All right, so here you go. So I've got my RSS feed right here. Okay. At least for now. We might switch it up later, but I think it's okay for now. I don't even know how to check our ranking in other places. Should I feel like I need to add this to our bio. Top 30 tech podcasts in Germany. No big deal. No big deal. I feel like it's worthy of a top 30 tech podcast in Germany, by the way. We got to send this to Prime though as well. I'm also so hungry. Oh, he's in the middle of this though. How much is left? He's still reacting to this. It's going to be literally days before he finishes. Dude, I think I need to grow my hair out again to be more like DHH. Your 4-hour estimate might have been low. That's kind of what I'm wondering as well. Oh, nope. That's not the URL. This is the URL that we're trying to do. You want to be more Danish? What? I don't know. I was just posting that we got top 30 in Germany. No big deal. No big deal, chat. Grow hair and guitar. I had long hair. Right here. DHH. There you go. There's me with long hair, chat. But I think those days are behind me. I don't really think I want to go for it anymore. It's just so much simpler to have shorter hair. So there you go. That's my olden days hairs. Back in my wilder days. Back in my 20s. You know, now I'm 30. I'm old. I can't be messing around with long hair like this anymore. Buzz cut incoming? Maybe. I have to pee again. Dang it. Every time I watch Prime stream right afterwards, I feel like I have to pee. Speaking of shilling, did you guys know you can go to terminal.shop right now and you can purchase some artisan blend coffee while supplies last? Dude, Nexus 6, great phone. Great phone. Great phone. All right. Guys. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that was a funny. Oh, why did you delete the first one? It was funny. Evan, if you're right here, that was funny. You should have left that one. Okay. What were we trying to do? What were we trying to do? We need to send this to chat. Alert. Someone alert me. We need to send this to Prime, but only when he's done. Nightshade, are you in both of these? Pick is here. Okay, Pick can remind me. Code Girl could remind me. All right. We'll because I want him to see this. I want him to see this. It'll be good. Okay. All right. Meanwhile, we're back to here. This is looking good. Top 29 in Germany dead podcast. So I think the only thing here, we can go back to here and then do this, right? So we can look at how this looks. Whoops. I want to make this short so I can see here. This is the only problem, I think, which is that on really... Oh, no. Okay, this looks good. Yeah, that looks good. That's the best that we can do. That's the best that we can do. If you're looking at it on a 150 pixel wide thing, we're going to overshoot. But honestly, I don't care. I don't even care. I think that it's fine. Okay, so I think we can ship this. Yeah, exactly. This is looking pretty good. This looks pretty good, actually. Oh, we were gonna put the RSS thing in here. I was gonna put what should we put for like an RSS idea here? Also, this probably doesn't need to be here. I think I can just say class name M4, and we can I do surrounding delete tag? Oh, that's sexy. Class name. I think that should still work, right? And we don't need those to be in this. You're doing the RSS thing? Yeah, of course. Yep. How do you ship CI/CD or by hand? What do you mean? For what thing? The RSS thing is just handled by Spotify for now. I might switch to Transistor FM because I was talking to Justin and I like him. So we don't have icons RSS yet. That doesn't exist. So we can go to our components here. We go here and we're going to yoink this. And then we'll paste this and we can go add components, RSS, and we can say RSS link like this. Same idea. We go to components here. We go to this. We can yoink this. We'll just go here and we'll saw RSS JSX. Boom. Now we go here and then instead of saying, do we have RSS? FA RSS? Beautiful. YouTube RSS link. Boom. And we can say RSS like this. The website. Oh, yeah. So it happens from CI/CD, and it mostly happens just through Cloudflare pages because it just makes one basically like static blob. It just gets uploaded. Random life trivia. Ever since I don't have mono anymore to cook for me, I've been liking more and more to cook. That makes sense. Do people still use RSS? Yeah, I think so. I mean, that's how all the podcast apps run. RSS. So it would be nice to be able to solve this problem, like more generally speaking. Whoops. I left that as YouTube, right? So we need to go back to, podcast here. And then instead of this, we do RSS URL like this. YouTube also supports RSS for video uploads. Yeah. I mean, like, I think people are definitely using it. There you go. So there's the RSS feed. So you can get that one directly. I think a lot of people are still doing it. So there you go. That's looking pretty good. The only problem I'm seeing right now is I don't like how this isn't lined up. Right? You know what I'm saying, chat? See how I don't like how this doesn't start in the same place. I would like these to start in the same place or this start in the same place here. One sec. Another good thing that if blog has ads and an RSS feed, often the RSS has no ads. Boom. Okay. Class name MX Auto, MX Flex. So I think I probably don't want to do this. I want to put this like left aligned with everything else, right? But I don't know how to do that. What happens if I delete this? Nothing. Each of these have margin 4. But that's why, right? This is why each of these have this. Should I change this to like gap 4 or something? Oh, but gap won't. But this is closer. This is like closer to the idea that I want, right? Maybe we can actually delete all of these though. Can I put this like here? What happens if I put P6 here? Okay, that's not really what I want. What is CSS gap? Should I put gap here though? Okay, so that's good, but I want it to be all the way here. Delete the header P6. P6. Okay, yep. That makes sense. Okay, nice. There we go. Nice. Here's a thought, chat. What if we put these guys right next to latest episodes? What do you think about that? Any thoughts? What if we put them right here? Right? Right? That's not exactly what I was thinking. What about the right side? What do you mean the right side? That's what I was saying, like here. Text, fold, blah, 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 blah. Oh, probably we don't want to do this. Oh, right aligned. Oh, that would be pretty sexy. Okay, I'm with you. I'm with you. I don't know how to do that, chat. I don't know how to do that. What up, Lithium? I have no idea how to do that. Class name. Flex, space between. Flex and space between, like this. I don't know why that's not... Okay. If so, make the icons right side aligned as humans scan left to right. Okay, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. I want to say width, full, flex, grow. Okay. I didn't quite get it though. We're getting closer though. Do I need to set a width for this? Right? Because it's like probably that. Like what? This shouldn't probably take this whole space, right? Width full is also okay. Is okay also. Would I do both or no? Oh, on H3 max oh, okay. Okay. Max content. Okay, so this will make it so that this one takes up the most space is what we're trying to say. And also most people are right-handers so they can access the icons right. Oh, chat, now you're really thinking. Didn't work. That's okay. Chat, I don't know what I'm doing either, so it's fine. This seems to be the problem. Why is Topshelf not a CLI app? We'll get there. We'll get there. Like coffee. Right now, I don't really have a server. So at some point, we could do the server. Just put flex at the outermost element. The container that holds both text and icons. Flex. Do I not need to put it here? Can you listen to a podcast in the terminal? That's a good question. Max, content text 2, font bold, container MX. Do I not need to put this flex here? Just use Google Pages. TBH. Also not a bad plan. Here, we'll ask AI. How can I make the icons all be right aligned in the same line as the latest episode's string? I don't know. No, flex will make the element grow to as large size as possible. Space between will place any elements within it as far as possible from each other. Flex to the... Okay, I don't want it like this. I was just wondering. Last name MX Auto. Flex call. Flex W fill justify between item center. I don't think that works, right? That doesn't seem right at all. Because this one seems to be taking up more space than I thought. Maybe we don't do this. Maybe we don't have that MX Auto. Maybe Tailwind calls justify between MX Auto. Could be. All right, so let's try this. We are okay. So that's okay. So now we're on one line. That's good. I'm at the strings part of the course. How many times has Dax asked you when the course will be done? Dax doesn't talk to me. Flex. We need to do something else here, right? Space between. Is this not a thing? Space. This is just not a thing, chat. I don't think we're doing this right. Justify between. There we go. It's justify between. Nice, we found it. Tailwind CSS had our back eventually. Can I do gap 4 here? And will that put the gap between them? No, because I need to do that here probably. Something like class name flex item center space x2. That could work. I don't think I want that though, because this is not lined up now. I want this to be... This also needs to do the same thing. And the section with all icons needs gaps. Yeah, exactly. Gap 4. Whoops. Let's try that. Okay, that looks pretty good. But I want this to be also centered. So I should put this items center here as well. Content center. Content center. Align content center. That makes sense. Ooh, that's... Okay, well, it got scuffed in the middle there. Set style to display flex. Justify content flex end. Flex direction row. Ash! Oh, no. Hey, but do you like that this is OCaml? Huh? What do you think about this? MY auto on H3. I'll give it a go. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right at all. Chat, you seem very wrong on this one. I want this to be going to remove item center. Items center. Okay, nice. That's looking better. I do kind of want them to be like... I kind of want them, though, to be like latest episodes is right through the middle. So, like, if you drew a line through here, it would penetrate straight through the icons. Do you guys know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, you're right. We don't need that anymore. And add the items center to the parents of both. Okay, that seems better. And then we can do M bottom 2 to just give us a little bit of space, right? Did I put that in the wrong spot? I put that in the wrong spot. I don't know, why are we in this mode here? How did we suddenly end up in this scenario where these are skinny now? Because I put this in the wrong one. I put this in the wrong one. I put these all in the wrong one. That's why. There we go. I put it on the wrong one. Yep. I put it on the wrong one. Okay. That's looking pretty good, actually. I know I've asked this a lot of times before, but when was the last time? How? Center diff. Do you use to OCaml? We use at work. To use it outside of work? That makes sense. Yeah. But do you like... Did you see this? MLX. Have you checked it out, Ashkan? Ashkan? Where am I? This one here. Have you seen this? I'm thinking it's pretty cool. I'm thinking it's pretty cool. I don't have to write reason. ML. No offense to JavaScript Andes. But I like ML syntax. So this is all ML syntax for everything, but also just like, hey, what if you could write JSX? I saw a job offer near to me that mentions OCaml. Take it, obviously. Call it your own. Elixir Mix 2 Electric Boogaloo. Now you're understanding. Now you're all understanding. Well, it's Java, Dev, and nice to have OCaml. That doesn't sound as good. Pretty nice breeze processor you got there. Thank you. Thank you. It actually uses the same trick that Reason does, which you just register it as an extension right? And you do the same like Merlin reader and everything. It just does exactly the same thing that Reason does, except like because you can set up custom dialects, which is pretty wild that then it just works. You know what I mean? Like there's pretty much like nothing else. There's nothing else going on either, which is pretty cool. Okay. So I'm thinking this looks pretty good, chat. Here you go, here you go, here you go. What happens when we get small? Oh, yes. That actually looks pretty good, chats. That's looking pretty good. Pretty wild, but syntax like this makes sense that starting with this is safe. Yeah. Yeah, and everything else is just basically like normal expressions. You should put a min width. For what? I don't think we're gonna get smaller than like this, right? So I think it's fine. We're very responsive. We're very responsive here. Okay, I think this is looking good to me. Set it to iPhone extra small. iPhone extra. Is that actually a thing? Flex wrap and make the text not break white space. iPhone SE. It's pretty good. I don't really care about this. I know that this goes over, but I'm not sure how to fix. Some folding phones are narrower. I don't know. It's okay. This is good enough for now, considering that before we didn't do anything. Do we care about iPhones? I do not. Text wrap truncate or something. Yeah. Won't text wrap work? I don't know. Will it work for description? We can try. Text wrap. Is it just text wrap like this? For some, I need to figure out why. Is it text wrap? A text wrap. Got it. I need to fix Tailwind LSP to still work when it's in a parenthesis. I don't know. It's one long word, I think, is the problem. You know what I'm saying, chat? Like, it's because it's one long word. So I don't know. I only know raw CSS, not Tailwind. Sorry. That's nice. That's better than me. I know neither. Okay, so I'm just going to say that this is good. And we can do npm run build just to make sure that this actually works, right? We can also do Dune build and just make sure everything's all the way up to date. npm run build. Okay, nice. Okay, so now I just do this and I say git commit -m. Yes, it's
if you want
still bad.
Entertainment, go and watch.
And then we can
Clowns.
push this. And we can just say, okay, yeah. So let's check out our PR. Ooh, nice. That's good. That's good. It's nice work. It's very good, very good. Yep. Okay. Nice. Yep. Okay. Very good. Create pull request. Okay. Now we just go merge pull request. Very good. Oh, actually not merge. What the heck? Squash it. Very good. Yes, it's still bad. So you should put a breakpoint and change the page to a blank one with buy a computer. I do like that though. No big deal. Pretty good experience here. All right, so then Cloudflare builds this and then puts it out there. So now the next thing we need to figure out, chat, is can we server side generate this? Okay, because I think that's what I want to do next. Because it's kind of dumb that we put everything into a JSX thing here like this. This is just because this is how I was doing at the beginning. Oh, bless me, chat. And thank you. Thanks, Chad. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Do you have any tips for learning Elixir coming from TypeScript? Embrace the pattern matching. Okay, that's the big thing you got to do. Is very different style. So now though, I want to see, can I generate some sort of .html file, right, from what we have? Because if you think about it, it may help. That's pretty funny. Okay, it appears that we've scuffed this. Why? How did this? What did I do here? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm not on stupid lanes thing. Get reset hard, get checkout master, get pull. Scuffed. I really need to change some strategy here to do this differently. Skibbity. Okay, there we go. Get add, get commit -m. Yes, spacing is hard. Okay. There we go. That'll get updated in no time. That'll get updated in no time. It was overflow hidden. I'm trying to think of it. You can add text overflow to choose how to render overflow. Interesting. Okay. Nice. All right. So then the question that I have, right, that I want to do is, can we make it so that this is just generated? Because there's no reason for this to be JavaScript. You know what I'm saying, chat? There's really no reason for that. Because, like, I already know everything. So let's see if we can figure out how to do that. Now, supposedly, according to Mr. Dave himself, I might be able to use this. Have you heard of HTMX? If you better be memeing. I'm the one that brought HTMX to the mainstream. Okay? So you better be memeing right now. I've got the receipts from THDV HTMX latest. Let's scroll down. Okay. I've got the receipts. Boom. I was doing HTMX and OCaml before it was cool. Both of them. All right. It's a lot of receipts. That's what I'm saying. Right here. Then it became a love story. Yes. I still do love HTMX. It's very good. Imagine using OCaml when Swift is right there. Where? Is this Swift in the room with you? Where? I'm even less likely to use Swift than I am C#. Okay? Okay? So you need to relax. All right. So now what I need to do, can I explain what is a Swift? I think it's someone who's a fan of the singer-songwriter Taylor Swift, but I'm not sure. Curious about that take, actually. I just don't know why I would use Swift. That's a Swiftie. Well, what else would you call someone who writes Swift? I don't understand. To make Apple apps. I'm all right. So Swift is I must have missed something. Swiffer. Oh, right. That makes sense. That makes sense. De facto, Swift wasn't the average deployment speed in Agile? That's funny. All right. So what I was trying to figure out before is here. I don't know that I really want a server-side render. I want to like server-side generate. It's cleaner. Yeah. Dry. Weird law, but legally you have to listen to Taylor Swift while swiftly writing Swift. I mean, it makes sense. It really does make sense. Wait, did this not fix the problem? Dang it. I'm stupid. I didn't do the thing that I knew that I needed to do. All right. Try to make static JS bundle first. SSG can be tricky. I already have a static JS. Oh, I guess I don't really have a static JS. I have all static JavaScript files. They're all committed. Oh, no, that's not true because I npm install and all this other garbage, right? And probably, well, I don't know. I have no idea how, I don't have a server right now. I just upload to Cloudflare pages, my repo. And I think it just serves them. So it's like literally, so I think like that's already what I'm basically doing. I'm pretty sure I do. Let's just have this main JSX, which this just basically opens like these other generated files that I already have, right? Now, I don't really know, like, it npm installs these, blah, blah, blah. I don't really know. Right? I guess we can check, right? Can I just open this and just look at, like, sources? Elements? This is just like this, right? How can I like open this file? Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. In React land, your script is in nap.js or bundle.js. What is going on? Why is I'm right clicking it and then duplicate element. That's funny. Reveal in sources panel. This is all jumbled up together, right? So it's like if I search for like latest episodes, it's right here. Right? So is this SEO friendly? Top Shelf FM. Low level TV. It is. I'm already doing. Hello, I did some shilling. Guys, if you didn't know, Low Level TV is the artist formerly known as Low Level Learning TV. Maybe. I actually don't remember. Did you have TV at the end of Low Level Learning as well? Or was it just Low Level Learning? Okay, that's good. That would have been worse. I was like, I didn't think so. I was like, it was not Low Level Learning Teach.tv. I already have Teach.tv right here. Welcome to this. I don't know why this is the landing page, but it is. And it's pretty good. It's a pretty good site. It's pretty good site, chat. I mean, check this out. Pretty good site. Shout out Low Level Learning TV. Twitch.lowlevel. Pretty good site, chat, okay? I mean, look at this copy button. Have you guys ever seen a copy button this cool on a website before? I don't think so. Fortune shout out. Yes, exactly. I'm just throwing it out there. Believe it or not, CSS. Go to considered hilarious. Yeah. I didn't update this page yet. Dang it. Okay, one sec. Let me push the update in one of this. I'm in the middle of writing this one though is the problem, but I think it's okay. We can go here. It's good. Publish. Which are the new ones that I have? Which ones do I have here? No, we don't need that. Don't need this. Okay, this is good. No, I don't think we want to do that one. This is good. Okay. Can I distract you more by asking if you know about jujitsu for version control? I've heard of it, but I don't know anything about it. There we go. Now we've got it on this page too. Mr. G, I've been noticing you are in front end phase. This scares me. I understand, but it still scares me. Well, we're going to ship some products, chat. But don't worry, we're going to write it all in OCaml. Ashcan, you'll like this, though. I did the thing we talked about at TwitchCon. Shoot, I forgot what we talked about. Let me think. Oh, wait, the thing at the party? At Prime's party? I mean, Doug's party? Congrats. Or I'm sorry. It was too long. After you use it, I'm complete switch from Git. Once you get it, it's really nice for. Oh, nice. Very cool. Okay, so check this out. Ashkan, you'll like this. You'll like this. Do you want to know how I get these highlights? Because if you're thinking, wow, that looks awfully similar to TJ's Neovim colors, you'd be correct. You'd be correct. It looks awfully similar to Neovim's colors. So we wrote something where we can... It's sort of two phases. First, use 2HTML from Neovim to generate it. Yeah? Okay, so now you get this. Number 2 is custom code processor thing for Obsidian, where... You put the HTML inside here. You just put the HTML inside. And then you tell Obsidian, yo, dog, just put the inner HTML as the content. Think about it, though, chat. Now I get perfect highlighting, but you can highlight the text. And then it's still just Markdown. And check this out. I have all of these files here, right? So if I want to edit this example, I can just do edit Neovim, opens up Neovim. I can say, wow, cool. I save this. It updates this right here, right? Edit Neovim. We can go back here, and I don't want those, obviously. So we'll delete this. We edit. Boom, it updates it. Now it's there. Because, of course, you still want all of the files. You know what I'm saying? Right? Like, of course, you still want all of the files in case you need to update anything later or regenerate new highlights or anything like this, right? So it's like you want to be able to go back and forth between both ways. So obviously we can just do that. And so that's what I'm saying. And then, of course, we have this copy button scenario where here, then you can copy it, right? And you'll notice there was no clipboard with an X inside. So we made our own icon with the like brackets to kind of make it look like a clipboard with an X, right? So it's like, it kind of looks like the clipboard with an X inside of it. I couldn't find an SVG that had it with an X inside. So we made one. No big deal. But then the other crazy thing is, right, since you're doing this, you can actually just put in like virtual lines and stuff like this. So I can just, if I wanted to, we could add highlights and everything. I can highlight the code that I want to do or anything. Right? Like anything you want, like this one right here. Pretty cool, right? So then you can do exactly the same things for these. Right? Oh, but right. You can do anything you want. It's Neovim. It's Neovim. That's what programming is all about. Turing completeness. I made goto in OCaml as well. That's what I was gonna show you originally, but I thought you would probably think like it's cool that my highlighting's from Neovim as well. But this is real and valid OCaml code here. So this kind of looks like, does it not kind of look like labels? Does it not look like labels to anyone else, right? And, oh, it does fall through. So, like, it's going here, and then it will start calling here. I didn't have to write go to loop. It just goes down to here. And then we can say, you know, oh, is the index greater than stop? Go to done. And, of course, we have early returns as well, because we needed to make it as procedural as possible. This also works. So this is like, this is valid. This is real OCaml code that I have running. Explain effects. The effects version is even more cursed than this. cd git go to ml. That one has coming back, which is even more cursed because if you conceptualize effects as resumable exceptions, that means we can optionally resume after an exception. And so when we have effect go to, we just go to here and we discard the continuation. But when we have come back, we can do all of our go to things here, and then we can continue back from where we were before. So yeah. So that's like this defer. It does a come back. So it says, hey, do this and come back to here and then keep going. So when we run this, which I don't know that this is gonna, I think this will work. Okay, nice. When you read through this here, it reads a file, it opens the file path, and we get a handle. And it says, hey, defer, can you close this handle when we're all done? So that happens. Oh, this one happens never. That's right, because one of the other ones goes to somewhere else before I can do this. I forgot. Oh no, this is when I said max defers is 5. So then I can just say, that's right, I forgot. We skipped doing this one. I forgot about this. Oh, we made it so cursed, dude. Yeah. Program go to just so you can program bugs into it. Yes, exactly. So anyways, that is going to be a YouTube video, but figuring out how to turn this into an understandable YouTube video has cost me a lot of time. So you can blame Sozin for that. Because it's this video, which is the one that made me think of it. Right? So I don't know. Doesn't have to be understandable. I really want it to be, though, because the hilarity of it is increased when you see how cursed this is. Right? Like, adding early return in OCaml? Pretty hilarious. The language doesn't have this feature. Anyways. What were we even doing? I'm so hungry now, too. Let me go get some food. And it was sick. Yeah. We have a bunch of, I'll be right back. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.